Students, today we will start our discussion with solar system. Solar system, as I said earlier, that solar system is the family of the sun. That means sun has some members also. They are called the family. So today we will discuss solar system. Solar system has sun, 8 planets. These are the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets are there in the solar system, including sun and some satellites. 100 satellites are there. These are known satellites. That means these satellites we know. So 100 satellites are there. Here includes moon, asteroids, meteors and comets. These are the satellites. That means they roam around these planets or sun. So that means these 100 satellites all the time they move around these planets and sun. They are called satellites. As I said earlier, that solar system is also a part of Milky Way galaxy. That means this family is also called Milky Way galaxy or Akashganga. It is about 27,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. So suppose it is a galaxy, it is the center, and from this center the distance of the solar system. That means the distance from the solar system to Milky Way galaxy is about 27,000 light years. So you can count the light years. As I said earlier that in 1 year 9,50,000 crore kilometer. That means in 1 year it travels 9,50,000 crore kilometer. So 20,000 light years you have to count and you have to find out. So that means we are at a distance from 27,000 light years. The solar system is about 470 crore years old. That means from 470 crore years before it was there, the solar system, the sun and its family, and is about 1200 crore kilometer wide. That means this is the wide, and 470 crore years old it was. Now let us discuss sun. Other family members we will discuss afterwards. Let us start the sun. Let us know about the sun. So sun is the largest member of the solar system. So sun is the largest. The diameter of the sun in maths you know that, yes, diameter, what is called diameter. So the diameter of the sun is about 109 times greater than the diameter of the earth. So suppose this is earth and this is sun. So the diameter, if the earth is 1, then it will be 109 times greater. So you can imagine how the vastness or the capacity of sun, what power the sun has. The sun is the main source of heat and light. So this we know that yes, sun has the light and heat, and that heat we are getting, and that because of that heat and light all the life on earth is possible. That is why the ancient people worshipped sun as a god. Without the sun we cannot survive. The sun is at an average distance of about 15 crore kilometers from the earth. So the distance from the earth to sun is 15 crore kilometer. This is the distance from earth to sun. The brilliant disk of the sun that is seen from the earth, that means from the earth we can see this sun, is called photosphere. So it is called photosphere. It is called photosphere. The temperature at the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees centigrade. So it is 6000 degree centigrade. That means the heat that we get from the sun. The center of the sun is about, that means it is the center, and the center of the sun is about 150 lakhs degrees centigrade. 150 So in the center, that means sun is there, and in the center 150 lakh degree centigrade heat is there, and surface, that means that this part has 6000 degree centigrade. The light from the sun traveling at a speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second. So the light, can you imagine that in 1 second 3 lakh kilometer per second it can go. So it takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the surface of the earth. That means the light which comes from the sun, it takes only 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The gravitational pull of the sun keeps all the members of the solar system together. That means the sun has gravity. Because of the sun's gravity, all the members, that means the planets and satellites, all the things, it keeps near the sun. We are not falling down. We are in a space because of this sun. The sun has a gravity to keep near with the sun. So this is about the sun. If you read the book, you can understand what I have said. So sun we discussed, and try to understand about the sun.